Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about conic sections circle. What is a circle? A circle is a set of coplanar points that are equidistant from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center. The distance between any point of the circle and the center is called the radius. History of a circle. The invention of the wheel is fundamental discovery of properties of a circle. The Greeks considered the Egyptians as the inventors of geometry. Ames, who is a scribe and the author of the Rhind Papyrus, gives a rule for determining the area of a circle that corresponds to 256/81 or approximately 3.16. Equation of a circle. Equation of a circle can be determined using this formula: x, the quantity of x minus h squared plus quantity of y minus k squared equals r squared. So let's try this. Determine the equation of the circle through the given center and radius. Center 3 and 0 and radius is 2. So we will use the formula x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared equals r squared. So h is replaced by 3 and k is replaced by 0 and r is 2. So x minus 3 squared plus the quantity of y minus 0 squared equals 2 squared. So completing the square, x squared minus 6x plus 9, then y minus 0 is y, so y squared equals 4. Therefore, the equation is x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 5 equals 0. So how about the equation of write the equation of a circle into the form of the quantity of x minus h squared plus quantity of y minus k squared equals r squared. Determine the center and the radius. So the equation x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 2y plus 1 equals 0. So completing the square, x squared plus 6x plus 9 and y squared plus 2y plus 1. Since we add positive 9 in the other side and positive 1, we will also add this in the other side. So x squared plus 3 squared, or the quantity of x plus 3 squared plus the quantity of y plus 1 squared equals 9. So since we already determined the equation in the form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, now we can determine the center. The center is negative 3 and negative 1 and radius is 3. So for more practice, we will have this. Determine the equation of the circle through the given center and radius. Thank you for watching and keep safe everyone.